Want to understand the black box or an ML model, what it's learning, how it's giving output, what features are more important? So here's the solution for it. Follow us and subscribe our channel to know more about AI, ML, DL, and OpenAI. So SHAP library is used to understand the output of any ML model. Okay. So right now, when there is any model, right, and you want to understand like what's going on inside that for each feature, which one it's giving it the positive importance, which one is acting as a negative importance to it, right? So you don't know, right? So for that, to solve that issue, we have Sharp library, and it's very easy to use this, and we'll go over some examples over it. So let's start. Firstly, to install this, simply pip install Sharp. Okay, so it says me that I already have it. So let's do this. Now I'm importing Sharp and XGBoost. I'm importing XGBoost to create a model. Okay, and once I have the model, then I will able to understand it using Sharp. So I imported Sharp and XGBoost, and from the Sharp we have a data set called California. So it's a housing data that gives that here we need to predict the prices based on the features like room size, average rooms, and other things. So now we have the data here, X and Y. Okay, and that X and Y data I'm giving it to the XGBoost, and I'm keeping it CPU as a device, but you can use GPU. And I'm giving, I'm fitting it now with X and Y. Okay, so it's done now. You can see now we have the model. Okay, and that will able to predict the new prices based on all the features that we have it on an X. Okay, now it's time for us to understand what model learn, right? So I created an explainer. So sharp dot explainer and giving here the model. Okay, so that will give me an explainer, and here from that explainer I'm giving it all the X values again to get those feature values converted to a sharp values. Sharp values are those values that tells me about what features are relevant and what features are making it your prediction towards more output. Okay, so sharp values are like this. So you can see we got some negative values and some positive values. Okay, let's understand one row. Okay, so I took first row, and after that I am creating a waterfall. Okay, so this plot is a waterfall plot. So here it tells me that mad inc is impacting positive to your scores. Okay, so all the values that are in a rad are impacting and acting as positive to yours towards your output. Okay, so and those values that are blue in color, okay, those are impacting negative towards your output. Please understand this. So features pushing up the prediction are red in color. Okay, and predictions that are pushing down your prediction are blue in color. Simple as that. Okay, now it's time for us to look at more. So here you see I took first row again. Okay, instead of creating a waterfall, this time I created a force. Okay, and you can easily see over here that we got 4.25. Okay, and you see over here those are the features that are acting positive to your output. Okay, so the values higher, or so those values are acting it as very positive towards your output, and the latitude one, it's acting negative towards your output. So indirectly 5 are pushing up your output and 1 is pushing down your output. So indirectly we have 4 as positive towards your output, and that's why you see over here 4.25. Okay, another one that I took here, instead of taking it one row, I took 500 to just see how the features are acting. Okay, so you see the same thing over here. And another one is scatter plot, so you can see some more things over there. Okay, and you can see the sharp values over here. So Beeswamp is a very good, I can say, a chart to understand how the features are acting, how sharp values are acting of them. Okay, so let's understand one by one. So latitude values sharp, if they are negative, okay, then they act positive towards your scores. So, and you can see high feature values. So feature values higher latitude, you see they are here. So when the sharp value of latitude is negative, then it act positive towards you. So what you need to understand over here is, so if there is a negative sharp value, it act as positive, and when the sharp value is positive, it act as negative towards your prediction. So prediction is what you need as output, or a y value that you have it on a model, right? That you want to predict. So this is a way how you can use SHAP library, and you can understand more better about what's going on in the model, which feature is acting positive, which feature are more relevant, more important. And so here you can see we have those features that are more important. Okay, those are acting very less towards the prediction, and you can see over here also. I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.